Hello everyone, this is the unboxing of my new gun. I hope you enjoy.
No.
Looky here, everybody, guess what? I got a K2A. Yes, it's K2A. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful K2A. And I'm gonna unbox it, and I'm gonna show you how it shoots. Oh my word, here we go. Alright, so I got it out of the box, and here it is, the K2A VM4A1. And it comes with a mid-cap mag, like holds 30 or 120 like all the rest. And then it came with, obviously, you know, the gun. And it came with this bag with just talking about the K2A. It doesn't really have a manual, which is kind of silly, but oh well. It has the tool that can change the FPS of the gun, which is the coolest thing ever. I've never had a gun that does that. So, yeah, that's a first. I'll try that, and it's going to be real cool. And, let's get this paper. So yeah, it's pretty heavy. It's got some weight to it. It's not bad. To the awesome rail system. K2A. Oh yeah. And it has the oh that's nice. That's really nice. And then the mag. It's put that guy in there. That was nice. That sounds beautiful. Alright, well, I mean, there's not much to talk about it, but there's a lot to talk about how to shoot. So, let's go out and shoot, and I'm going to show you how it shoots. Yeah. Alright, so I was going to talk about, like, every part of the gun, but that's kind of boring, so we might as well just show you the shooting. Hey, everyone. Here we go. Gonna shoot some semi. Okay. The rain, it's raining out, so the BBs are a little wonky, but it's okay. Okay, a little bit of a burst full auto. Oh yeah. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh yeah, all out of ammo. Alright, now we got the midget mag because I'm a midget mag lover. It's just how it is. I'm gonna be honest, the midget mag actually feeds better than the big mag. Let's see, can. And that was it. The midget mag doesn't have much BBs in it, but you know, it's okay. So yeah, that's the performance of it. It's pretty hot. It's very hot. It's very quiet, but speed. And the wind, as I said, the rain as well. And these babies go nuts. But my aim's so good, it doesn't even matter. Alright, let's record a little bit of this with the run cam, shall we? Yeah, buddy. Well, that is the KW Way VM4A1 for you, and it is just say that is a beauty, and I hope you enjoy some footage with this. I will definitely be coming out with some footage with this because it is hot. Now that's a fire. Well, I don't know if you could tell, but it's dark outside, and we're on our front porch, and this is where we're gonna shoot our tracer unit and our tracer BBs. Let's give it a shot. So cool. Well, there's my new gun. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you ever want to see me shoot any of my other guns, just ask.